Hey guys, this is RVC here and I'm back again with another video. Today I have something new and different to review. This is the Casio G-Shock GW-B5600MG-1ER. I reviewed a G-Shock Steel a while back which is kinda similar in terms of features to this. Anyway, let's check this thing out. This is the G-Shock Square with some additional features which we will talk about later in the video. First, this model comes with a resin strap with entire face and bezel covered with resin. We have expensive options that comes in stainless steel or titanium. Anyway, since this is a G-Shock, the overall build quality is amazing. It's built like a tank. It's not huge compared to other G-Shocks, roughly 43mm, and it weighs around 53 grams. The three main features on this watch include Bluetooth connectivity. This links with a smartphone for more accurate timekeeping and also allows other functionalities which we will look at once we have the application. G-Shock resistance. Shock resistance construction protects the watch against impacts and vibration. Tough solar. Casio's original solar charging system converts not only sunlight but also light from fluorescent lamps and other sources into power, so you don't have to worry about cables or changing the batteries. Since this is a digital watch, we can see most of the things at a glance: time, date, day of the week, month, and so on. Anyway, the main feature to look into is the Bluetooth feature. You will assume it's going to alert you when there's a notification on your phone, but that's not the case. The watch links with your phone for a number of reasons. One of them is timekeeping. The other reason is to make it easier to set things like alarm and countdown timer. To be honest, setting everything with the app is much easier than manual tweaking the watch. Let's look at the G-Shock connected app. With the app, you have the option to set up to 5 world times, and you can also swap the times. Time and place acts as a GPS point memory. This feature needs active Bluetooth signal from your phone. The utility option has the alarm settings with up to 5 alarms. And my best feature is the reminder settings. You have 5 reminders option: birthday, anniversaries, and so on, you name it. This only works with the application. You cannot set this with the watch only. When you jump to the settings menu, you have a ton of features. Let me just keep quiet now and see for yourself. Before I forget, the watch also has a white backlight. Amazing feature, especially at night. I think that's all about this watch. Do I recommend it? Well, for the build quality and some features, yes. If you are a G-Shock fan, then absolutely. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions regarding this watch, please leave it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.